Hey there, I'm Kelly Austin with Goober 95.1, and I've got your country music news right now. The announcements were made yesterday for the 2019 inductees into the Country Music Hall of Fame. Brooks and Dunn will be inducted into the Modern Era Artist category. Ray Stevens will be inducted into the Veterans Era Artist category. And music executive Jerry Bradley will be inducted into the Non Performer category. All have made such an amazing contribution to the country music industry. Congratulations again. George Strait broke his own attendance record during the final night of the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo on St. Patrick's Day, with 80,108 fans in attendance, with the previous record that was just a mere 80,020 fans. George's grandson, Harvey Strait, even got to go on stage with his grandpa for a performance of God and country music. Maren Morris debuted at #1 on the country albums chart with Girl. Congratulations to her. Tim McGraw will be headlining a free concert on April 26th. Put that in your calendar. It's all a part of the 2019 NFL Draft celebration at the Draft Main Stage in Nashville. Dylan Scott and his wife, Blair, are expecting their second child in September. They already have a son named Beckett that was born in December of 2017. Congratulations. That's your country music news. I'll see you back here tomorrow.